We needed to get the launch codes from this Professor Elliot. Baird and Sophia both said he was a decent man. Maybe he was. I tried to forget that his weapon burned off half my face. The grubs had been waiting for someone. Since no one else was around, they were probably waiting for us.
Lieutenant, I think we can get to Elliot through that house.
Got it.
For me.
Son, what's your status?
They've got some big grub out here leading the attack, sir!
Young man, you're fighting animals. Push them into the sea! Do you understand me?
Sir! I don't think...
Do you understand me?
Sir! That thing's got Claymore Cedars with him! I think that's what disrupted our communication, sir!
You either hang up and fight, or I come out there and shoot you myself!
Sir, but I... No!
Damn it, son!
Looks like Karn just canceled the airport evacuation.
By the time Karn was gone, there wasn't an airplane left in Grozny.